Alright guys, so this is my little setup. I have my glitter. I'm using these two types of glitters. I got them at Michael's. It's this one mixed in with this one. It's these two right here. It's really pretty. And I have my 4 Don Julio bottles. These ones I already did the first coat. Right? So this is after 1 coat. And these ones I gotta do it right now. I'm using just regular painter's tape. This one to cover up the logo. And then this is the glue that I'm using. And then this is the sealer. Okay? And then you just need some of these ones. And then I bought these little like stick-on rhinestones to put around. And then I bought this ribbon. I don't know if I want to do like a bow right here, but I don't know. We'll see what I end up doing. So yeah, this is all I do is my little mix up. I have my glue right there, and we're gonna start on this one right now. Now I am just going to go ahead and try to clean up this rim from the other 3 coats that I did. So wish me luck. I hope I don't mess this up. I'm gonna use a smaller brush to try to put the glue a little bit closer because this one's kind of messy already. So this is what it looks like after I went ahead and cleared up the edges. I can go ahead and seal it with the clear acrylic. Noisy. Hopefully you can hear me. My house is pretty noisy. So it says, I'm just gonna follow the directions from the can. I don't know how this is gonna work. Hopefully it works pretty good. Okay, so I went ahead and finished the acrylic clear coats, finisher, sealer, whatever. I went ahead and did 3 coats of them outside. I highly recommend for you to do that outside. I'm really happy I didn't even attempt it indoors. And this is what they look like. They look so pretty. I freaking love it. So it does still need to dry a little bit because if I push down on it, it's kind of like, well, not too bad, but you can feel a little bit of like movement, not too crazy. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish off doing the rhinestones around the logo and then seeing what I end up doing up here. I really, really like how this looks. I think it looks so pretty. I bought the succulents. Right here, how pretty. I bought this one. And I bought these ones. And I found the freaking wood thing. I cut this one, like it's just a piece of wood to separate it right here in the middle. And then the bottle's gonna go right here, and then the succulents is gonna go on the top. But look at how cute these bottles came out. Final result. It looks so pretty. Like the whole thing just looks so pretty. That's the bottle right there, and this is what the succulents look like, and then this is the whole thing together. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.